Robert Kiyosaki's book, Why the Rich Are Getting Richer, argues that the gap between the rich and the poor is widening because the rich are playing a different game than the poor and middle class. Kiyosaki identifies four quadrants of the financial: employees, people who work for a salary or wages; self-employed, people who work for themselves, such as freelancers and small business owners; business owners, people who own businesses that employ other people; investors, people who invest their money in assets, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Kiyosaki argues that the rich are getting richer because they are focused on the B and I quadrants, while the poor and middle class are focused on the E and S quadrants. B and S quadrants are linear, meaning that you are only paid for your time. The B and I quadrants are residual, meaning that you can earn money even when you are not working. For example, if you are an employee E, you are only paid when you are working. If you stop working, you stop getting paid. However, if you are a business owner B, you can earn money even when you are not working, because your business can continue to operate without you. Kiyosaki also argues that the rich are getting richer because they are financially educated. They understand how the financial system works, and they use this knowledge to their advantage. The poor and middle class, on the other hand, are often financially illiterate. They do not understand how the financial system works, and they often make financial decisions that hurt them in the long run. Kiyosaki believes that everyone can learn to play the game of money like the rich. He offers a number of tips in his book, including invest in your financial education, focus on the B and I quadrants, surround yourself with positive people who are financially successful, be patient and persistent. If you want to become rich, you need to start thinking like the rich. You need to focus on building assets that generate residual income. You also need to learn how to manage your money wisely. Kiyosaki's book is a valuable resource for anyone who wants to learn more about personal finance and investing. It is especially helpful for people who are new to personal finance or who want to improve their financial literacy.